In the first 9 months of 2015, Ferrovial shows a strong growth in all the lines at the group level: revenues, EBITDA, and net income. Of course, we are enjoying the good run of the pound sterling and the US dollar versus the euro, but the underlying operational and financial trends are very good. If we look into the toll roads division, we see that traffic is growing pretty much across all the board. And if we look into the main asset, the 407 ETR, we see that growth is accelerating compared to the first part of the year, and also EBITDA is showing very healthy growth. Other assets like the North Tarrant Express also shows very good growth in EBITDA versus the previous quarter. And we just opened the LBJ Expressway, and the initial data is really encouraging. Also in airports, we are seeing good growth in traffic. I mean, Heathrow is achieving record traffic every day, and it's also achieving awards recognition for its customer service, and also improving the efficiency of operations and financially. Also, Glasgow is showing a very high growth in passengers, and the combination of Glasgow, Aberdeen and Southampton paid the first dividend since we acquired it. In construction, the growth in revenues is outstanding, and the margin keeps being a reference in the sector. In terms of services, we see that there's good growth and margin expansion in Spain. And on the other hand, in the UK, we're seeing pressure from clients in local government having pressure in their budgets, and also from the closing of the CapEx phase in the Birmingham contract. From a commercial point of view, the summer has been quite successful, with the winning of a highway in Colombia, also in Australia, and the Thames Tideway Tunnel. Each of them should bring more than 300 million euros into the backlog. In terms of cash flow of the net cash position ex infrastructure projects, I would like to highlight that we are accelerating the remuneration to shareholders. That means that we are having something like 88 million euros ahead of last year's remuneration. Also, we are not having any factoring. Last year there was something like 118 million euros. And in terms of investment, we're also accelerating, with gross investment being 118 million euros higher than last year. In summary, we expect the good trends in the business to remain for the remainder of the year, and also we should expect the natural seasonal working capital improvement in the final part of the year.